students, I remain Dr. Steve, and I will be revealing top secrets that you need to understand so as to get 100% in JAMB Mathematics. I mean it, 100% in JAMB Mathematics. Now, please, I would advise you watch this video to the end, because at the top end, you're going to be seeing some of the major secrets that you need to, that so many students, even when they are trying to do well in mathematics, but at the long run, when their maths result comes out, they feel that, oh, JAMB didn't give them score. Some will even say, hey, they've given my score to somebody else and that. No, it is not that. I'm going to be revealing the secrets, that the top secrets that you need to understand, before you write this. And please share this video. Share this video to your friends. Share this video to your children that that will be writing JAMB this year, please. Because these are the top secrets that will make them pass mathematics 100% in JAMB. Now listen to me. Now the first one you need to do is what? Now you need to understand the basis of mathematics. Now if you understand, if you get 100% in mathematics JAMB, you need to what? You need to understand the basis of mathematics, because most of the time JAMB will want to require or want to test your knowledge on the basis. And trust me, if you don't know the basis of mathematics, it's going to be very difficult to know the advance of mathematics. So the very first thing you need to know is what? The basis. Now if you're finding mathematics at the basis of mathematics difficult, or you still lack some basis or some steps in mathematics, please go to my channel. Please visit my channel, Maths Clinic with Dr. Steve on YouTube. Please go and check. Now, I've actually made videos on fundamentals of mathematics. So please go and check that video. That video is going to help you a lot. Now, the next step is what? Avoid prolonged or unnecessary process. All right, unnecessary step. This will actually take your time, because as soon as your time is up, the system goes off, the question goes off. So it's very important that you avoid prolonged and unnecessary process. The example in this video now is going to be pasted on this video. So let's see. I'm going to be using this example to teach us how to manage your time and how to avoid unnecessary steps. Now look at this. Now the question says, a group of market women sell at least one of yam, plantain and maize. 12 of them sell maize, 10 sell yam and 14 sell plantain. 5 sell plantain and maize, 4 sell yam and maize, 2 sell yam and plantain only. Why 3 sell all the 3 items? How many women are in the group? It's not normally, if you look at this question is a set question. It's involving set, and you could decide to probably draw a Venn diagram or solve it without a Venn diagram. But I'm going to be using a Venn diagram in order to make it very fast for us. Now look at this. Now one of those steps that you need to ignore is, now when you are solving this in a theory question, you need to bring out the declaration. What do I mean by declaration? You say let. If you are using this, you say let. That is, we want to declare that let we are given the let our yam equals that the number of women who sell yam, and we're given our p at the number of women who sell plantain. Then it keeps on going like that. It keeps, sorry, I'm going to be using a curly bracket here. So this here is also a curly bracket. Now, but it's so very important that you need to note that. Now, at this point here, this is not needed. You don't need all of this. These are the steps. These are one of the steps that you need to avoid. Now, look at this. According to the question, if I'm in a JAMB class, so instead of that, do this. Please do this instead. So which is this? Now we are told that a group of market women sell at least what? One of yam, plantain and maize. It simply means now we are given about 3 sets. Now what are the 3 sets? We are given yam, plantain and maize. That is, now we are given 12 of them sell what? Maize. 12 of them sell maize, 10 sell yam. That 10 sells yam, and what? How many sell plantain? And 14 sell plantain. Now 14 sells plantain. Now the next question, 5 sell plantain. That is, the 5 sell what? Plantain intersect M and maize. 4 sell yam. We are given 4 sells what? Yam and what? Yam and maize. And we're given what? 2 sells what? 2 sell yam and what? And plantain only. If I'm going to be representing this in theory form, I would have done something like this. In theory form, I was going to do something like the cardinality of what? P intersects M. P intersects M. equals what? Equals 5. The cardinality of what? Y intercept what? Y intercept M equals what? Equals 4. And the cardinality of Y intercept P, not what? Not what? Not M here is equals to what? Is equals to 2. But I don't need to do all of these things. I don't need to write all of these things because it is an objective question. JAMB is not ready to see all of your calculations. What JAMB wants to see is what is the right answer within the limited time that was given. So yeah, at this point here, so let's ignore this. Let's ignore this theory step. Now these are the steps that we need to learn to ignore. Now look at this. I'm going to be using a Venn diagram to draw this, to solve this. So since it's involving three sets, I'm going to be having three circles. Now I can name this one. This is Y, this is P, and Y, this is M. Now the first thing we need to do is the innermost the innermost insert set, which is what? The innermost, sorry, I think we've not stated that. Now three set all the three items. We're going to three set what? Y intercept P intercept M. Three sets all the three items. So yeah, the innermost here is going to be 3. I'm having 3 here. So the next thing here is going to be what? Now, let me go to this. The second one is going to be what? The 2 by 2 intersect. So here, 5 intersect what? P. 5 here is equals to what? P intersect M. Now, let's see our P intersect M. This is P intersect M. Our P intersect M is at this point here. P intersect M is at this point here now. So I'm not going to be writing the whole of 5 because the whole of this here is 5. The whole of this here. So what I'm just going to be doing is that will be 5 minus 3. So I don't need to start writing 5 minus 3. Just put the answer. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now the next thing here is what? I'm going to be doing my Y intercept M. Y intercept M. Y intercept, don't mind my circle, it's small here. But my Y intercept M here is what? Is 4. So here is the whole of what? That is, the whole of this is 4. So what I'm going to do now, 4 minus 3, which is what? This here is going to be 1. Now the next thing is what we are told that our Y intercept P, that is the whole of this alone. Our Y intercept P alone is what? Is just 2. I don't need to subtract here. So these are the basics that you need to understand. So avoid unnecessary waste of time. Then the next thing is what? Now I need to fill in all of this only. That is our yam only, plantain only, and what? And maize only. Now we are told that the total, the cardinality of yam, that is the total number of people that sell yam, is what? Is 10. So from here, now the whole of yam here is 10. So here I'm having my 1 plus 3 plus this is 6. That 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. So from here, I'm going to be having 10 minus 6 here is going to be 4. So another thing I need to have here, okay, let me just use my red pen here in order to make this different. So from here also, now what do I need to do here? Now for P, this is the whole of my P. That is 2 plus 3 plus 2 here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 here is 7. So 14 minus 7 is going to be 7. Now, and the same thing here also. For M, my M here is what? Is 12. So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 12 minus 6 is what? Is 6. Now the question says, according to the question, how many women are in the group? That is the number of women that are in the group with the addition of this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. So there are some certain things that you don't even need to press calculator for. Because if I'm taking my calculator to solve this, calculator here, I'm going to be pressing this plus this plus this. That is going to be on your what? On your PC. And it's going to take your time. So if I were you, I would just use my head. Even at this point, I don't need to start writing. 4 plus 2 plus 7. You don't need to write that. So just add up mentally yourself. So all you need to do is here, I'm going to be having what? This year, 4 plus 6 here is 10, plus 1 is 11. So 11 plus 3 here is 4, is 14. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then 18 plus 7 here is going to be 25. It simply means, therefore, the answer is just 25. So I don't need to be writing there for the number of, just pick your answer and that's all. So it's very important, please note that this is a simpler way of what? Or avoiding unnecessary process. Look at the question. JAMB is going to give you a lot of questions and they are expecting you to solve that within a limited period of time. But if you're not careful, you're going to miss up. Watch out for the part 2. It's